So this is my 1974 Chevy LUV pickup. I bought it from the original owner who parked it in 1986, and I bought it in 2015. So it sat in a field for 29 years, and which really took its toll on the interior. It just baked in the sun day after day. Everything inside is just cooked. But plan with this truck is I want to have a nice mini truck, but I also want to have a functional mini truck. So going to lower it down a little bit, going to redo all the interior, but I'll probably leave the exterior as is. But I got some pretty big plans for the inside anyways. This is a dash out of a 1959 Chevy pickup, and I'm going to put that in there because the original dash is pretty much toast. And they don't make replacement dashes for this. So you can see there's just the metal core left. They do make a top pad for it, and I saw somebody on YouTube took one of these and put a Ford dash in it. I wanted to keep it Chevy, so I got the Chevy dash. So they don't make a lot of replacement parts for this, so I'm gonna have to make some of them, which is gonna be fun. I have a friend that has a machine shop, and I'm gonna work with him a little bit. Make some parts out of billet aluminum. I can't wait. It's going to look incredible in here, and I'm excited to show you how it turns out. So I hope you join me in the coming episodes and watch the transformation. First, gonna gut the inside, see how bad the floorboards are. I'll make the repairs as necessary. There you have it, and stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.